All my DPS position northeast.
Sila dito, dismounted.
Okay, we're gonna shallow them, ha? Food up now. Food up now. Food up now. Food up now.
They have cross-staff defense, okay?
Yeah. Get ready, ha? Iles.
Southeast.
Okay.
Careful on the dungeon.
My GA, I need one GA to look southwest. I need one GA to look southwest. Guard runes me, hawa. Stick to me.
Engage mo sa East Coxon.
Oo. North.
OC.
Okay, dismounted na.
Like-
May hold siya si Shen.
Yeah. Are they OC yet? Are they OC?
Hindi pa.
OC.
OC na.
Okay. OC. Don't go out yet. Iles, stay there, ah. We're gonna engage east over the wall, ah. Wait lang. Ready. East over the wall. Wait. East over the wall now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East over the wall now.
Lalim.
Malalim masyado. Go back. Wala, naglalag ako, men. Patay ako.
Jacket 1. Spiritan.
Jacket 1.
Lag server?
Ready, ah.
Engage me, ah. Don't let me die. I'm lagging. Tangin na, naglalag ako.
Server lag pa rin.
Oh, everyone now again. Southeast now over the wall. Okay? Southeast over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast over the wall now. Masyadong malayo, men. Go back inside. Let them come inside. Let them come inside. Palapitin natin sila. Let them bonk. Southwest Iles. Southwest position Iles. Mateo, don't get shallow there. They will shallow you there. Mateo.
Ready, ah.
Lag pa rin.
Southwest ka Iles, ah.
Pick up.
Okay. Ready on the gate.
On the engage, careful over the wall.
Kyra, be careful. Everyone on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone look on the gate now. Nice one, kill. Go click.
Ang lag. Hindi ako makalaro.
Flex.
Ang lag ko nga, men. Ang lag ko din. Pusang gala man to, eh. Jacket.
Dilukin, defend.
Get ready in the front.
Shallow.
Ready, ah.
Okay. We're gonna engage deep south, ah. Wait. I'm going to engage deep south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep south to me.
Hindi ako makalaro.
Enemy only have one engage for now.
One engage lang sila. Yeah. They have one engage.
Dilukin, defend.
Don't go too deep, please. I don't want you to die. Dre.
Jacket.
Heal. Don't go too deep. You don't need to go deep. You don't need to defend that too deep, okay? Let them come. We welcome them. I don't want you to die. Everyone get shallow south now. Shallow south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the 7 way south. More damage south.
Mount reset.
Okay, go back.
I cannot play, bro. Wait. Sobrang lag.
A bit faster. Okay.
They're looking south.
Wait.
Okay, northeast Iles. Go northeast Iles. Reposition yourself northeast. Reposition yourself northeast.
They're walking south.
Yo, Ditas, they will just shallow you.
Okay, go. Don't follow. You don't need to follow.
I think they're
You
going
don't
the
need to
other
follow.
side of the gate.
Yeah, let me
I
check,
need
let me check.
I need scout in this side, ah.
Yeah, I'll check.
They're here on ping. They're going southwest.
Okay.
Southwest gate.
Position now southeast. Hug the wall east, Iles. Dito ka sa
Careful
ano?
over the wall.
Iles dito ka sa east over the wall, ha.
Sige lang.
Diyan ka lang. I'm just gonna shallow them. They will engage. They engage shallow.
Check.
Hold you. DPS now. Counter engage now. Okay? We're gonna walk in.